to play with these play tools. First, I have Play-Doh. I have 2 Play-Doh plus and 2 regular Play-Dohs. And I have, the molds are a dog, an orange, a butterfly, a duck, a squid, a boat, a whale, a tree, a cat, a lemon, a car, another squid, a plane, an apple, a truck, and a mushroom. First, I'm going to start with a blue dog. I'm going to get the mold and push it down and roll it. When it's the right size, you put the mold on and you push it. Then you put the mold out and get the extra bit. And then you have a dog. And the other one, you have a hole of a dog. You put it here, and then you get the next one. Now I'm going to do a green and green-orange. And push it and roll it until it's a good size. Then I put the mold in and push it just like the first one. Then you put the extra Play-Dohs out, and there you have a whole of an orange and an orange. I'm going to put it here. Then I'm going to do a yellow butterfly. I get the Play-Doh and I push it, then I roll it just like the first one. Then I put the mold on, I just push it, get it out, get the extra Play-Dohs out, and there you have a butterfly, a whole of a butterfly too. Then I'm going to use a pink duck. So just like so, you do it just like the second one. And there you have a hole of a duck and a duck. And here's a butterfly. I'm going to put it back in here. A duck, an orange, and the first one, a dog. And that's for today, so bye and see you next time. And now I'm going to clean up all my things so it won't dry off. If it does, we can't have anything to play. And put it in the box. And that's for today, so bye and see you next time.